Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be covering the 5 best dropshipping applications for Shopify. These applications will help you take your store from getting 0 sales to boosting your sales and conversions dramatically. So without much further ado, let's jump right into the video. Starting with the must-have applications, we have the currency converter. And a lot of people might be wondering how much of an impact can that really make. And the thing is, it's much bigger than you realize. Because if, let's say, you have an amazing product and a visually stunning ads driving targeted visitors to your site, then when someone lands on your website and sees prices only listed in US dollars, that requires extra thinking on their part, or maybe using a converter from other websites in order to estimate what it will cost them in their own currency. And when people are forced to think unnecessarily like that, they tend to feel reluctant and then bounce without buying. However, when they see the converted currency symbol and pricing that they are familiar with as soon as they reach your store, then it will feel immediately relatable, and now they know exactly what they will end up paying with no extra mental effort. And this kind of convenience removes the friction that will help convert more visitors into paying customers. And my personal favorite currency converter is called Best Currency Converter. Installing it is pretty simple. Search for it in the Shopify application store and then hit download. Enable the application under your store settings and then select which different currencies that you want to be displayed based on your target countries. This way, visitors from the UK will see GBP and Australians will be able to see the AUD currency automatically converted. And that's literally all it takes to set up. The application handles dynamically converting everything behind the scenes from there. Again, having an automatic currency converter is the easiest way to take your international conversion rate to the next level. Next up, we have another game-changing yet often overlooked application, which is the Volume Discount app. And the reason these applications are so powerful is because you should never limit each customer to only being able to purchase 1 unit of your product. Your profit margins might be nice on a single order, but you will severely limit your potential revenue ceiling per visitor. Instead, your goal should be setting up your store to encourage customers to buy more per order. You want each person who visits your store to become a power purchaser. And this will allow you to maximize your lifetime value from every site visitor and then take your profit to the next level over the long run. And that's why I consider a volume discount application absolutely mandatory for any profitable dropshipping store. And essentially what this application does is that it automatically offers tiered percentage discounts to incentivize customers to buy more units per order. For example, if you are selling a product for $25 each, then you can have a sale that goes like buy 2 and then get 10% off for only $21 each. Or perhaps buy 3 and then get 15% off at $20 each. It looks something like that, where buying more units unlocks bigger and bigger discounts. And you might actually be shocked at how many customers will happily take up on these offers for purchasing more. Psychologically, they will feel like they are getting an amazing hands-on fire deal. So simply head over to Shopify's App Store. I would recommend using Bundler, as it's a product bundles application, free to use, and it's very easy to set up and make use of. Having this application will allow you to rapidly scale your average order value and overall revenues without needing any extra visitors. And the next application we have on today's list is the Reviews application. Social proof has immense power when it comes to dropshipping. See, even if your volume discounts would help convince more visitors to initially consider buying, then they might still have some lingering doubt holding them back from fully pulling the trigger. And by prominently displaying some reviews from others confirming that your product delivered amazing results for them, then you would instantly be able to convince a lot more visitors to actually make a purchase. Any skeptical visitor is now way more likely to become a happy customer themselves. And my personal favorite reviews application for dropshipping stores is Judge.me. It allows you to quickly import existing buyer feedback from AliExpress to initially populate your listings if needed. But imported reviews alone usually are not convincing enough. And that's why I highly stress also adding custom photo reviews highlighting the exact benefits that your products provide, spoken directly to your ideal customer avatar. On number 4, we have Retargeting application. This one focuses on relentlessly retargeting anyone who visits your store but doesn't purchase right away initially. Just letting those visitors disappear forever if they don't buy on their first visit is leaving massive piles of money on the table. Instead, you need to be capturing every site visitor so you can re-engage them with special discount offers to draw them back in. And my go-to retargeting application for this is Klaviyo. Klaviyo automatically captures contact information whenever someone starts checking out but doesn't complete a purchase. even past paying customers so that you can incentivize repeat purchases. It essentially stores all of the visitor contacts for you to directly market to. Some of the retargeting messages that your customers could be receiving is 40 to 50% off, free express shipping, massive value bundle deals, and more. Hitting people with irresistible discount offers that they would have to be crazy to refuse is by far the best way to convert retargeting traffic and recover lost sales from first site visitors. And this is why relentless retargeting through a service like Klaviyo pays for itself 10 times over. And on number 5, we have the order tracking application. Order tracking applications are extremely important, because for the majority of times, if you can't promptly respond with tracking details on every single order inquiry, then some of the customers would turn angry and they would just request refunds right away before you even have a chance to fulfill the order properly. And it is a painful headache that loses you money and wrecks your store's credibility. However, when you have public tracking links and delivery status updates displayed right on your orders page, then customers can self-serve to check on their shipment whenever they want. And this means that there is no more annoying barrage of manual order status requests that overwhelm your support queue. It's an absolute game changer. So instead, just install the AfterShip application, connect your shipping accounts, and tracking information will automatically populate for each order. And that will be a wrap on today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Let us know what you think in the comment section down below and whether you have any other questions. If you found today's video to be helpful or informative to watch, then give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can make related to this one.